Making chocolate chip cookies. Press the space bar. Chocolate chip cookies. Ingredients: are in the kitchen. Chocolate chip cookie recipe. Measuring cup. Measuring spoons. Mixing bowl. Mixing spoon. Baking sheet. Oven. Let's make cookies. 2 sticks of butter or 1 cup. Put the unwrapped butter in the bowl. Sugar. 3/4 cup of sugar. Pour the sugar into the bowl. Light brown sugar. 3/4 cup of light brown sugar. Pour the light brown sugar into the bowl. Eggs. Crack the eggs. Put 2 eggs into the bowl. Mix the butter, sugar, and eggs with a mixing spoon. Mixed butter, sugar, and eggs. Salt. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Put the salt into the bowl. Baking soda. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Put the baking soda into the bowl. Oat flour. 2 cups of oat flour. Pour the oat flour into the bowl. All-purpose flour. 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Pour the all-purpose flour into the bowl. Mix the salt, baking soda, and flour with a mixing spoon. Mix salt, baking soda, and flour. Pure vanilla. 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla. Pour the pure vanilla into the bowl. Mix the pure vanilla into the dough with a mixing spoon. Mixed dough. Chocolate chips. 1 11.5 ounce bag of chocolate chips. Pour the chocolate chips into the bowl. Mix the chocolate chips into the dough with a mixing spoon. Mix chocolate chip cookie dough. Chopped walnuts. 1 cup of chopped walnuts. Pour the chopped walnuts into the bowl. Mix the chopped walnuts into the dough with a mixing spoon. Chocolate chip and walnut cookie dough. Make 2-inch dough balls. Baking sheet. Put the dough balls on the baking sheet. Oven. A grown-up will. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. The oven temperature is set to get hot. The oven temperature is now 350 degrees. Timer. Set the timer to 12 minutes. The oven is ready to bake the cookie dough. A grown-up will put the baking sheet into the oven. The timer buzzes after 12 minutes. The cookies are done baking. Oven mitts. A grown-up will use the oven mitts to take the baking sheet out of the oven. A grown-up will put the baking sheet on top of the stove. The cookies will cool on the baking sheet. Cookie spatula. Take the cookies off with a spatula. Chocolate chip cookies.